Hello and welcome to this week's guided meditation for the woman who might be holding too much. This is a safe space to lay it all down. Before we begin, I want to acknowledge something. If you chose this meditation, there's a really good chance that you have been carrying a lot of responsibilities and emotions and dreams and expectations. Perhaps you're holding your family together or building something meaningful in the world or waking up to the deeper dynamics of our culture and feeling the weight of that awareness. Whatever brought you here, I want you to know this moment is simply a space to rest. It's just a few minutes where you get to lay things down. So begin by finding a comfortable position. You may be sitting or lying down. Allow your hands to rest softly somewhere on your body. And gently close your eyes. Take a slow breath in through your nose and release it through your mouth. Again, breathing in and slowly exhaling. Let your shoulders soften. Let your jaw unclench. Allow your body to settle into whatever is supporting you. For the next few minutes, you don't have to hold anything at all. Bring your awareness to your breath. Notice the quiet rhythm of air entering and leaving your body. Just allow yourself to observe the natural breathing in and breathing out. With every exhale, imagine the muscles of your body softening just a little more. Your forehead relaxing, your jaw loosening, your shoulders gently dropping away from your ears, your chest softening, your belly relaxing, your hips sinking into the surface beneath you. As you breathe, imagine the space around you becoming calm and quiet, like the world has stepped back for a moment, giving you room to simply exist. Now I invite you to imagine something. Picture yourself standing in a quiet, open field. The sky above you is wide and spacious. The air is gentle. And in your hands, you are holding several stones. Each stone represents something you have been carrying: responsibilities and worries, fears and doubts, the weight of trying to do everything well, the quiet pressure to hold the world together. Feel the heaviness of those stones in your hand. You have been strong for a long time, but right now, something different is possible. Look down at the ground in front of you and imagine placing one stone gently on the earth. You don't have to throw it or push it away. Simply set it down. Let the earth hold it for a while and take a slow, deep breath. And now place another stone on the ground. Maybe this one represents the expectation to be everything for everyone. Let the earth hold that too. Breathing slowly, deeply. And place another stone down. Let the ground receive it. You aren't abandoning these things. You are simply remembering that you don't have to carry them alone. For the next several moments, continue placing the stones down one by one. Responsibilities, worries, invisible emotional labor, old expectations, the belief that you must do everything perfectly. Let the earth hold them for a while. Feel how your hands begin to grow lighter. Feel how your shoulders soften as the weight leaves your body. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Now look around this quiet field again. Notice something new. You are not standing here alone. All around you are other women. Women who have been carrying too much. Women who are learning to set things down. Some are standing quietly, some are resting, some are breathing deeply for the first time in a long while. These women understand what it feels like to hold the world together, and they are here with you, not to demand anything or compete, simply to share this moment of rest. Feel the quiet strength of that. You are not alone in what you carry. You never were. Take another slow breath. Notice how your body feels now that your hands are empty. Your shoulders are lighter. Your chest is more open. The quiet space that appears when the weight softens. For a few moments, simply stand in this field and breathe. Nothing to accomplish or prove, just rest. Now slowly bring your awareness back to your breath. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest, the calm rhythm of air moving through your body. And before we close, I want to offer you a reminder. You don't have to save the world by yourself. You don't have to carry everything alone. Your presence in this world matters. Your care matters. Your voice matters. But your rest matters too. The world doesn't need more exhausted women trying to hold everything together. It needs women who remember how to breathe. Women who remember their own sacred worth. Women who support one another. Take one final slow breath in and release it gently. Begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. Allow your awareness to return to the room around you. And when you feel ready, slowly open your eyes. Carry this softness with you today, and remember, you're allowed to set things down.